this question was quite tricky. It was quite a tricky question. So it's write down the class interval that contains the median. Now we know that median is the middle. Well, if we put all of these plants in size order, we'd have 80 numbers written out. Therefore, that middle number, it's the 40th value. Now, the way we find that is we add these up. So we get 11, and then when we add on to that, we get 25. So we add those two together, and we're now finding our cumulative frequency. Now, have we reached this 40th value yet? No, because we're only on the 25th. So then we do 25 plus 16, which gives us 41. Have we reached that 40th value? Well, yes, because we're now on the 41st. Therefore, we don't know where, but we know somewhere within here that 40th value will be. So our class interval is 30 to 40. That's somewhere within there. As I say, we don't know where, but somewhere within there will be that 40th value. So, a frequency polygon, two key things is you plot at the midpoint and you draw straight lines between your points, dot to dot, dot to dot. So this is for a frequency polygon. So our first point, well, the midpoint of 10 and 20 is 15. So we go to 15 and we're going to go up to 11. So it's about here. Okay, our next one, the midpoint of 20 and 30 is 25, and we go up to 14. So 25 up to 14. And then we go from 35, so down here, up to 16. So 35 up to 16. Then we go 45 up to 15. So you plot all of these on. All of these need to go on. And then we've got, the midpoint of that is 55 and up to 17. 17 is there. And then our last one is going to be at 65 and up to 7. So we're on 65 and we go up to 7, which is there. And then again, so we've done the midpoint. Now we need to join these up by doing straight lines from dot to dot. So we take from here to here, straight line. Here to here, straight line. Here to here, straight line. Straight line. Straight line. So that is what it should look like if we do it correctly.